choking on the smoke. It's hard to breathe. My heart is heavy, my spirit's weak. Coughing up the ashes of a broken soul, trying to find my way in a vessel burned. Oh. Coughing up the ashes, can't escape the pain. Wish I could erase it, but it's all in vain. Every breath I take feels like I'm suffocating. Coughing up the ashes of a soul that's fading.
Thought I had it all, but it slipped away. Now I'm just a shell of who I used to be. Fire burns out, left me with nothing, just these ashes of a love that once was sunset.
Coughing up the ashes, can't escape the pain.
Oh no,
Erase it, but it's all in vain. Every breath I take feels like I'm suffocating.
coughing up the ashes.
Of a soul that's fading.
I try to move on, but I'm stuck in the past. Can't shake off these memories, they're holding me back. But I'll keep coughing up these ashes till I find my way, till I'm free from this pain. I can't breathe again. Oh, hear me.
Coughing up the ashes, still can't escape this pain. Wish I could erase it, be with you again.
Every breath I take feels like I'm suffocating. Coughing up the ashes, oh,
Of a soul that's fading without you. Coughing up the ashes, can't escape the pain. Wish I could erase it, be with you again. Every breath I take feels like I'm suffocating. Coughing up the ashes of a soul that's fading.
still can't escape this. Wish I could erase it, be with you again.